Hi everyone, it's nice to see you again today and born to be a florist again. We would like to present you a guide for the beautiful flower with a gift of the champagnes and chocolate. This is you can use for Valentine, every season for your one who you love to send it. Not any woman gonna say no on it. Let's go, shall we? So I use this as a hat box, okay? And then I create this with a ribbon bow here. And then some, and inside here, I use Oasis. So it's about 2 blocks of it. It's mean 1 block there and then you cut for 2, half. Let me start it, shall we? So what I'm doing is I'm check the size of the brochure. So about this, and then I put prosecco. So and then here, okay. Then you can see nice one already. And then the rest, what I'm gonna do? Put the roses in there. I use African roses today. So, and without any greenery. So, this is you make yourself at home. As you can get all these flowers from a supermarket also for the, even a £5 a bunch for the roses. It's very beautiful. And the African roses quite last long. And this is a help for the budget. Well, of course, a lot of men, you couldn't do it. But why not? The woman can give this a gift as well. But if you can learn this at home, you can do the business online. Just make it for the seasons. Don't need to be a Valentine. You can do a lot of different time as well. And change for the color of the roses. And quick and easy. This is just, it's no time. And then just keep through the gap of the rose. It's just come in like a different layer. Let me show you close. Move this a bit closer. You can see. And then I'm gonna put some more here when I see the gap. Here. And then some more in the front. And then another more. Such an easy thing. I do believe everyone can do it. Such a fun. I love to see the guy is learn to do this as well, not only the woman. Because this one, it's something you can create it yourself for someone you love. That's really nice. Okay, here. And then put a little bit more. Move a little bit. Almost now. I use a 20 stem of red roses on here. And that's such a nice one. And here we go. Almost now. In different layer here. That's what you do. So now. Look at this. How amazing and nice. So you go. Nice. And that easy. So that is ready to go. And if you like it, don't forget to subscribe, share, and then see us again on the next video. It's bye for now.